Apple is gearing up for yet another major release. And this time, all eyes are on the M4 MacBook Air, with the company's Apple Silicon roadmap moving at full speed. An M4-powered MacBook Air is closer than ever. But what can we expect from Apple's next-gen ultra-portable laptop? From potential release dates to chipset upgrades, design tweaks, and pricing strategies, here's everything you need to know about the upcoming MacBook Air M4. MacBook Air M4. Expected release date. Apple's MacBook Air lineup follows a relatively predictable upgrade cycle, and with the M3 MacBook Air launching in March 2024, the M4 version is likely to arrive in early 2025. According to reports from industry insiders and leaked supply chain details, Apple is targeting a Q1 2025 launch, meaning the new MacBook Air could drop anytime between January and March. Prominent sources, including Mark Gurman, Bloomberg, have hinted at an early 2025 timeframe. Some leaks even suggest Apple is ramping up production earlier than usual, which could mean an ahead-of-schedule launch. MacBook Air M4. Design, same or different? If you were hoping for a complete redesign, you might be disappointed. Apple seems committed to the ultra-thin, lightweight, flat-edge chassis introduced with the M2 MacBook Air in 2022. The M4 MacBook Air is expected to retain the same sleek and portable aesthetic, available in 13-inch and 15-inch variants. While the core design will likely remain unchanged, Apple may introduce new colors or minor refinements to differentiate it from its predecessors. MacBook Air M4. Display. Any upgrades? Apple's Liquid Retina display has been a staple of the MacBook Air lineup, and while there won't be a jump to OLED or Mini LED, some incremental improvements are possible. Potential display upgrades include higher brightness levels for better outdoor visibility, improved color accuracy for creative professionals, better efficiency, reducing power consumption, and extending battery life. M4 chip. The heart of the MacBook Air. The most significant change in the M4 MacBook Air will be under the hood. Apple's next-generation M4 chip is set to deliver substantial performance and efficiency gains. Here's what to expect. Refined 3nm architecture for better power efficiency, improved CPU and GPU performance, leading to faster speeds for multitasking and professional workloads. Enhanced AI and machine learning acceleration, making on-device intelligence more efficient. Longer battery life, potentially exceeding the 18-hour mark seen on the M3 model. MacBook Air M4. Will it get an OLED display? Apple has been working on OLED MacBooks, but don't expect the MacBook Air M4 to be part of that transition just yet. Industry reports suggest OLED technology will likely debut on MacBook Pro models first, possibly in 2026 or later. The MacBook Air will probably continue with Liquid Retina LCD panels until OLED costs decrease. MacBook Air M4. Expected price. Apple tends to maintain stable pricing across MacBook Air refreshes. Currently, the M3 MacBook Air starts at $1,099 for the 13-inch model, $1,299 for the 15-inch model. The M4 MacBook Air is expected to remain within this price range, though inflation and supply chain factors could lead to small price adjustments. Should you wait for the MacBook Air M4? If you're considering buying a MacBook Air, the biggest question is, should you wait for the M4 or buy an M3 model now? Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. If you need a MacBook now, the M3 MacBook Air is still a powerful choice with excellent battery life and macOS optimizations. If you can wait until early 2025, the M4 MacBook Air is expected to offer better AI performance, improved efficiency, and longer battery life. Final thoughts. Is the MacBook Air M4 worth waiting for? The M4 MacBook Air will likely be an evolutionary upgrade rather than a revolutionary one. While Apple isn't expected to change the design, the M4 chip's efficiency gains and performance improvements could make it a worthwhile upgrade. If you're after the latest and greatest, waiting for the MacBook Air M4 is a smart choice. However, if you need a MacBook right now, the M3 Air remains an excellent investment. Stay tuned to Technology Review for more updates, leaks, and hands-on impressions of the upcoming M4 MacBook Air.